Hey guys, I get my dehumidifier today. The delivery is fast. I booked it the day before yesterday, so it's arrived in 2 days. And it's well packaged. You can see the box is well protected. Let's open to see how does it look. Okay, let me open this. Wow. Ooh. Look at the size. Okay. Let me compare with a bottle of water. You can see it's not a mini humidifier. In my eyes, it's a middle size or huge size, so I guess it's enough for the whole home or 2 rooms. Let me try. Okay, let me charge it. Oh, it works. In here is an instruction. So let me see how to turn it on. Okay, I got it. Firstly, there's something in the box, so you need to get them out, and then you just need to put the box in the right place and turn on this bottom. Wow, awesome, it works. Look, the light is changing, and there are 3 modes that you can choose: the strong, the sleep, or the autumn. Oh, this one is strong mode. Wow, it's so easy to use. So also I can time it. Okay, let's turn it off. I like it. I think it's so easy to, to make your home better.